Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at dollar index, Euro USD and Euro GBP analysis. At the beginning of the week I shared an analysis related with the dollar index, and as you can see the price is still moving within this pattern here. We have to be careful with the dollar index because it can develop in different ways at this moment. We may see a possible movement that it can create a WXYXZ pattern, but it can also finish the movement on the X point, and the chances will get higher once the price will break the trend line. However, we are going to explain that also later, so let's see what is happening on a lower time frame. We are going to make a top-down analysis on the dollar index. As you may see, since our previous analysis, the price broke out from this small structure and it keeps growing. So here we are at this point, first target was reached, price came down and it is up again. If everything will go fine, because the market is focused on the CPI data, the chances are very high that we may see this type of correction as an ABC correction, and probably later the price may increase further again. However, for the moment, we are too far from the bullish movement. We have to be very careful at this moment. I'm still focused on the bullish move, but we may expect the price moving also down today. On a 60-minute time frame, the price is showing the possibility for this pattern development here. So it is showing that we may see a possible ABC movement for this pattern. If this is going to be true as a expectation, as a bearish pattern, once the price will break through this area, it will test the bottom of the structure again. So these are the targets that I'm looking at for a possible bearish opportunity if this is going to happen. And overall, this is in line with the bigger picture that we are looking at for a possible correction. On the other hand, if the price will develop more, we are in a critical zone, and we may see dollar index to bounce up at this point, and the chances are that we may see a type of WXYXZ development for this pattern here, so it can continue to expand further, and the chances are that we may see the price to test the top and probably higher up to the second target. However, until that moment, it is better to have conservative targets, so these are the targets that we are looking at here. I would like to take also one on 103 if the bullish move is going to happen, because this is a very strong area, also psychological area as well, and that is why I would like to focus again here. So far we are still in a bullish movement, but the breakout will show us any of the possibilities. So it is in line with the bigger expectation that we are looking as well during this moment. So let's move on Euro USD. If we are going to look at the Euro USD during the market outlook that I shared during the weekend, the price was close to the top of the structure, and I explained that the chances were very high for this bigger correction here. Only a move above 1.1045 will confirm the bullish scenario again, and another one is a move below 1.0914, and let's say. So this is overall what we are looking at. The trade ranging area is wide. This is about 130 pips. The price is still developing within these 2 points. Considering that we don't have any data for today to move the market, the focus will be only tomorrow on the CPI data from the US. The week overall was had very soft data, so this is one of the strongest economic indicator. as you may see, the market is expecting for the CPI data to come out 4.8%, so uh, it is not expected any change here. Also, on the monthly data, it is expected 0.2 consumer price index for July as well, and also monthly. So let's see how these indicators will come out tomorrow. For the moment, we are still within this pattern. We have to be careful. For today, as I see, the chances are very high that we may see euro to increase further at this moment. So even if the price will create any small correction, the chances will be higher that it may continue to grow again. A possible target is close to 1.1007, the structure area, and the next one will be the upper part of the structure. So these are the targets that I'm looking at for a possible bullish movement. The bullish movement will happen also in correlation with the dollar index. If this is going to break down, it will confirm that euro USD is going to increase again. So if dollar index is going to move down, we may see euro USD to increase here. So this is the bullish scenario that I'm expecting for euro USD. However, it is risky, so we have to be very careful. It is not a very clear moment. If the price will not move today, we have to be careful because we are still in development and this trade should not be active for tomorrow. So this is only a short-term trade here. That is why we should not hold this trade for a long period of time. So let's see how the price will develop here. It will be very interesting. Just a moment. And also for Euro GBP, I wanted to make an update. This is the analysis that I shared yesterday on the 4-hour chart. During the previous time that I shared this, the price already reached the first target, as you can see. So it came down and increased again. This is the where it reached the first target. However, this correction here is not holding very strong. So the chances are that it may increase, but considering this correction, we have to be careful because it can also do any type of correction in a lower time frame and it can move down up to the next structure. So it is bullish, but it is getting also more complex at this moment. So just monitor this very, very closely. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thank you. Bye bye.